And here we are again. Welcome back. It's been a week and a day, it seems, since I went live. And today is Friday, June 11th, and this is episode 138. And today's episode is called Teacher Mental Maintenance, the Noggin, Removing Limited Beliefs. Welcome back. My name is Gabe, and I am with ODE, Online Digital Education. It is a community on Facebook of educators, like-minded people who are teachers, who are ordinary, extraordinary people who actually collaborate and share with each other so that you can all succeed. There's no competition here. We're all here to help each other. And that's what we're going to talk about today. The teacher mental maintenance, something that we all really need. So today's episode is based on removing those limited beliefs that we have because of COVID-19 and any other life events that have caused us to feel anxiety and depression and sadness and fear and hurt and low self-esteem. And there's a way around that, and I'm going to tell you one way that's actually very good. So let me start you off with my disclaimer. Please note that this is not for those who continuously make excuses or are expecting to get rich overnight. There's no rich quick formula here. There's no false guarantees, false promises, no instant gratification. This is an opportunity for educators to be part of a high quality mastermind group that I'm a part of as well. And I will be guiding you towards your personal success, which is my pleasure to do this. But it takes work. It takes commitment and it takes dedication. So if this is not something that you're willing to do, then this is not for you. And if this is something that you're looking to start and then quit over the next few weeks just because it takes a little bit of work, then this is definitely not for you. It takes a lot of belief in oneself, to be able to get rid of those negative vibes, those negative thoughts that we all acquire throughout life. And let me just say, it's not your fault. But we acquire them, we become irrational, and then we accept it as fact. It becomes truth, and then it becomes our reality. And that makes it very difficult for people to just really carry on with their lives in a positive manner, in a fruitful way. So the mental maintenance that teachers require is really important. And I want to be able to give you a tip today about that. So let me start you off with a quote by Louise Hay, Hay. And she was an American motivational author and the founder of the Hay House. And she authored several books, New Thought self-help books, including the 1984 book, You Can Heal Your Life. So when I read how defeated teachers are during due to the, and really the reasons are from A to Z. I start to wonder, what is the best way for me to provide them with a solution to trigger that belief that they actually have self-worth? And you do, as educators, you have a lot of value to offer. No matter how much you wish to achieve something or how hard you try to battle the educational system's gauntlet, you're not going to win. If you do not really believe, then take a hard look at the historical facts of the 99th percentile of global teachers who struggle with mental health issues. You're limiting your own chances of success due to your BS belief system, not the other BS. A teacher's BS is subconscious, and no matter how much you voice your distaste for what is unfair, an unfair profession, the very limited belief that you have is killing your educator dreams. Limiting belief is a belief which limits your ability to achieve your objective. Now, you may think that nurturing the revolving long list of issues and complaints, it's going to help you get the solutions you wish for. Accept this reality. It will not. get you what you wish for. It will not. So replacing the limiting belief with a belief that supports you in your pursuit of your goals is a solution that is giving teachers a way out. It is giving teachers that opportunity, to get rid of that mental breakdown and desire to quit what you once loved to do with a passion. So you can stop teaching and you can start educating. A teacher's limiting belief is not always easy to see. Nobody's limited beliefs are easy to see, as it exists right here at the subconscious level. And it can remain hidden unless you make a conscious effort to look at it. If you wish to uncover your limiting beliefs, you will need to do a couple of things. One, you want to acknowledge your thoughts and accept that your BS, your belief system, is faulty. Anytime your inner self-talk expresses a limiting belief, such as, I can't do that, catch it and get mad. MAD, make a decision to change it. So get mad. Make a decision to change that limited, belief, that negative phrasing. I can't do that. Yes, you can do that. But the better question is, how can I do that? And that will make a huge difference in your mind. Each time you fail, and this is number 2, each time you fail to reach your well-informed, your well-formed outcomes, be honest with yourself and ask, what is holding me back? Why did I not achieve my desire? And then journal your limiting beliefs that occur as you answer these questions. It's a great way to identify what's holding you back. As teachers remove each limiting belief during this zombie pandemic era, you will progress further in your life. You will then confront a deeper held limiting belief, which may take a little longer to overcome. The progressive steps teachers can take to experience greater success is by believing in themselves to change. Eliminating limited beliefs from your life will empower teachers to monetize the educational experience and pivot to a life-work balance they much deserve to have. You deserve to have. NLP, which is neuro-linguistic programming, is a non-evasive way of examining your thoughts for any BS belief system, which may be limiting your happiness and success. As soon as you identify them, make a note of them and dispute them. Challenge those very thoughts. Observe the negative consequences of holding that belief that holds you back. Observe it. Shine a light on it to see the belief and build your motivation to change it. For example, if you believe that teachers are underpaid, you're less likely to seek a level of pay which is reflective of your true value. It may even stop you from monetizing your educational experience and earning 4 or 5 figures a month. Teachers may want to feel as though their work is valued and appreciated. Yeah, you feel that way. You want to feel that way. You may wish to be confident enough to see a pay raise or ask for a raise which reflects the true value of your service. Teachers deserve to be wealthy and valued at a higher pay scale, more than Donald Trump. Do not hold limiting beliefs any longer. Instead, choose a new belief which you can nurture with positivity and best outcomes. Your new belief should reflect the way you want to be, the way you want to act, the way you want to feel. The mind and body are one. Therefore, if you think your body will feel it, it will too. It will. And this is hard science. It's already been proven since the 1950s that whatever we think our bodies feel, and we project that physically. Positive affirmations are a great way to align your vibes with the universe. And that's one way to start getting rid of those limiting beliefs. There are several benefits to using, for example, money affirmations in your daily lives. Also, the money mindset affirmations will help you practice positive self-talk. Instead of saying, I can't do that, you'll start to say things like, how can I do that? Or who do I know who can help me do that? That's a positive affirmation. Money affirmations remove self-limiting beliefs. For example, I am a money magnet. That's a great affirmation to actually state. Your money magnetism is a reflection of your thoughts about wealth. It stems from money affirmations and the law of attraction. Money is a tool which I can use to benefit myself, my loved ones, and all of those whom I care about. These are great words to tell yourself. I deserve to be wealthy, and I am committed to using my wealth for the benefit of all. Again, these are great words to use as positive affirmations to give you that value that you so much desire. Believe me when I tell you, it does happen. Affirm at regular intervals throughout the day. Affirm your newly held beliefs, like I can overcome money obstacles. We all hit challenges in life, but stating and affirming that you can overcome money obstacles is a great step in the right direction, especially when it comes to our money. Ensure that you remain positive and believe what you are saying. Note any resistance, that you may feel. This is a sign of how deeply held the original belief is. If you start feeling resistance, chances are it goes a lot deeper than you realized. So visualize whenever you have a couple of spare minutes a day, visualize yourself living as though you firmly believe your new belief, your new BS belief system. Visualize yourself enjoying the new educational lifestyle and experience, the new emotions and sensations that come with it. Visualize that. Breathe it. Use your 5 senses to manifest that. This type of visualization can have a hypnotic effect, which helps to embed the new belief in your subconscious mind. Visualizing outcomes that you want can increase your confidence. Seeing yourself succeed helps you believe that I can and it will happen. Visualization helps you practice success. When you imagine every step of the event and activity going well, you get your mind and body ready to take those steps in real life. You see, a limiting belief is a nasty, destructive little thing which lurks right here in your subconscious mind. And it's ready to spring into action just when you're about to achieve that success that you so much desire. So taking the time to identify and tackle your limiting beliefs is a daily habit in life. By removing barriers to success, you open up opportunities to achieve more than you have previously thought possible. My greater purpose is helping everyday people realize their magnificence with empowerment thinking for success. Book your discovery session with me today and receive an 8-week purposeful package. And this will empower your life. The goal of life coaching is to give teachers a positive outcome by rebuilding their BS, their belief system, not the other one you keep thinking about. Optimizing their confidence and monetizing their online educational experience for success. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Empowerment thinking for success will help you realize your success in personal health, wealth, and make you wiser as you start to live a magnificent life of abundance. And I really mean that, a magnificent life of abundance. Starting off with 4 figures a month, 5 figures a month, that becomes a positive money-making habit with your educational experience. Don't look beyond that, but it is possible. So remember, you're magnificent. I believe you're magnificent. You should believe you're magnificent. Let me know. Leave comments below. Or come visit me right here on Online Educational Mastery Group. It's a community on Facebook of educators that actually collaborate and they help each other. They share information, so that everybody can succeed. And that's the whole point, right? It's having a community that nurtures, solutions, not problems. Or leave me a comment on my newsfeed. Leave me a comment on Messenger. I will answer your comments like I do on a daily basis, comments and questions, to help you understand your limiting beliefs. I look forward to seeing your success and interviewing you live as well on the ODE community. This will be a great way to share your wins and to be able to, talk about what you're doing now to serve other people, students on the internet, on Facebook in particular. 688,000 people is my personal goal for the next 5 years. I would just love it if you were one of them. So my name again is Gabriel, and I am with ODE. There it is, ODE, Online Digital Education. It is a community of educators on Facebook. And today is Friday. It is June 11th, and this has been episode 138, titled Teacher Mental Maintenance, Removing Limited Beliefs. You'd be happy that you did. Thank you so much for listening. I look forward to answering your questions. You guys have a great day, and God bless.